Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous class, we have completed our first chapter and we have discussed how to create a beautiful greeting card. So in order to create a greeting card, first we need to create a frame. Then we need to type the letters inside the frame. The third step, you need to insert a picture to make the greeting card attractive, and you can adjust the size of the picture accordingly. In today's class, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 2. The chapter name is Mathematical Figures in the Computer, and we are using a software called GeoGebra, which you are already familiar in standard 5 and standard 6. So let us start today's class. So today, dear students, we are going to do the first activity, activity 2.1 in this chapter. The activity is that angles between lines. I repeat, today we are going to discuss activity 2.1. The activity name is angles between lines. Okay, so before starting this activity, you already know, dear students, how to open GeoGebra applications. So we will start with that and we will discuss this activity. So how to open GeoGebra application? Tell me, dear students. First we need to go to applications at the top left corner. Inside that you can see an option called education. Inside that you can see the application GeoGebra. So once again, applications, education and GeoGebra. Click on that. So the application will be open now. So this is how to open the application GeoGebra. Now let us move to the today's activity, activity 2.1, angle between lines. We need to find the angle between lines. So there are 4 steps here. You need to follow these 4 steps to do this activity. Okay, so you are already familiar with these tools: segment tool to draw a segment, intersect tool to find the intersection point, and the angle tool. Okay, so we need these 3 tools in order to complete this activity. So what is the first step? Open GeoGebra application. So just now I had told you, you have to go to application, education and click on GeoGebra. So the application will be open. Now the second steps, draw 2 lines. Draw 2 lines using which tool? Segment tool. And we need to draw 2 lines that intersect each other. Okay, we need to draw 2 lines that intersect each other. So what is the meaning of intersect? Yes, 2 lines are meeting at a point. 2 lines are meeting at a point. That is the meaning of intersect. So I will show it now, then it will be very clear to you. So we are going to draw two lines that intersect each other. So first we are going to select the segment tool. These are the tools. Here you have to choose the third one. There is a down arrow here. Click on that. So here you can see the second one, segment tool. Click on that and click anywhere in the GeoGebra window. Just make a click and move your mouse. Don't want to drag, you just make a click and leave the mouse and move your mouse and just make the second click here. So now we have drawn a line or segment. Now dear students, you need to draw the second line. You need to draw the second line that intersect this first line. So what do you mean by intersect? Yes, the two lines are meeting at a point. So I will draw the second line here. Just make a click and move your mouse and just make the second click here. Now you can see here two lines that intersect each other. At this point they are meeting. Okay, they are intersecting at this point. You can see here they are meeting at this point. Okay, now what is the next step? We have done this step 2. What is step 3? Find the intersection point using which tool? Intersect tool. So we are going to find the intersection point using intersect tool. So let us do that in GeoGebra. We know that this is the point, this is the intersection point. So in order to find that point, what you have to do, you just go to the second option. Here there is a down arrow, click on that, and the fourth tool, intersect tool. You can see here intersect tool. Click on that, select the intersect tool and click on these two lines. Click on these two lines. So I am going to click on the first line. You can see a hand icon like this. Can you see the mouse pointer become a hand icon? Just make a click on that line, and here also you can see, click on the second line. Now my mouse pointer is a hand icon. Click on the second line. Can you see here? Now an intersection point is appeared. An intersection point is appeared here. That point name is E. That intersection point name is E. Okay, now let us do the final step. Measure the angles using angle tool. Measure the angles using which tool? Angle tool. Angle tool. So we are going to find the angles. So in order to find the angle, you need to select angle tool. So at the top you can see this is the angle tools. Click on this down arrow and choose the first one. Select the first tool, angle. And in order to find the angle, you need to click the points. You need to click the points. So you need to click the points in anti-clockwise direction. You need to click the points in anti-clockwise direction. So I am going to find this angle, this one, angle BED. I repeat, I am going to find the angle BED. So you need to click the points in anti-clockwise direction. So first click on point B. second click on point E, and third click on point D. So you can find the angle here, 59.04. Again, if you want to find this angle DEA, I repeat, angle DEA. So again you need to click on anti-clockwise direction. So click on D, E and A. So here a bit confusion, so what you do, you have to move this, okay, move to this side. So click on the move option, the first one. Here is a down arrow, click on this move option and move this second angle to here. Now I am going to find the other angle, this one, angle AEC. You need to follow the same direction, okay, in anti-clockwise direction, otherwise it will be a mistake. AEC, AEC. So you can see the angle here. So I will move those angles to make it clear. This is this one, and you move accordingly. Okay, you can use the move tool to move the objects drawn in GeoGebra window. Now again take the angle tool to find the final angle, this one. So you need to follow this direction, anti-clockwise. So I am going to find the angle CEB. I repeat, CEB. So click on C, then E, then B. So you can see the angle here. Okay, so you may be already studied in your mathematics class, the opposite angles are equal. Here you can see this is 59.04, this is also 59.04, and this one 120.96, and this one is also 120.96. okay, so this is the activity for finding the angles between two lines. So what we have done, first we have opened the GeoGebra application. How? Go to applications, education, and click on GeoGebra. The second step, we have drawn two lines using segment tool, and we need to draw the two lines in which manner? Intersection. Okay, the two lines should intersect each other. Intersect, what do you mean by intersect? The two lines should meet at a point. What is the third step? Find the intersection point. Okay, we need to find the intersection point using which tool? Intersect tool. And finally we need to measure the angles using which tool? Angle tool. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, one more thing is that in your textbook page number 17, you can see here this sentence, using the tool. This, what is this tool? Move tool. Move tool. Click on each point and change the position of the lines. So you can see the angles also is changing. So I'll show it, then it will be very clear to you. Okay, so what they have told, you have to select move tool, move tool, and click on any one point. Here I am going to click on the point D, and you just move it. Okay, click and drag, then you can see the angle is also changing. Notice, dear students, you can see the angle is also changing accordingly. Can you see here? Yes. So likewise you can change any point and the angle will be changed. So as a homework you can complete the notes in your notebook. So hope all are clear about today's activity. So thank you very much my dear students.